So friends, now in the second part of this video, we will showcase the live surgery. So always remember to put the right tube first before starting your procedure, because right tube will help you to work around the esophagus or dissect around the esophagus easy. So always remember, put your right tube first before starting any surgery in the for the upper GI. Maybe it is a hiatal hernia repair or the Nissen's or the Hallux myectomy. We follow leg split position. Patient is in a supine position with the head up. That's the reverse tendon position. So surgeon standing in between the legs. And this is the basically 5-port configuration that you can use for any upper GI procedure, be it gastrectomy, Nissen's or Hallux. So first port is above the umbilicus, 2-3 fingers breadth above, depending on the panels of the abdomen. So that can be busy port. The second port will be your left hand port, that will be in the right mid-clavicle line. Third port will be the left mid-clavicle port, that is closer to the your costal margin. So just see that the distance between the this right hand port, that is the left midclavicle line, and the left hand port, that is the right midclavicle line, so distance more toward the right side. The fourth port will be in the somewhere in the midline, it is more towards the right side, and that is for basically retraction of the left lower lever. And fifth port is your uh, left mid axial left anterior axial line, that is for the direction of the assistant. You are standing in between the legs, your assistant is toward the left side, your cameraman is toward the left side, and your assistant is toward your right side, and scrub nurse is also on the left side. And as I said, for a comprehensive and premium access to our SD content, download our app for the Android or iOS, or join the channel membership. The link for everything is given in the description of this video. And share this video with your friends. Hit the bell icon for all the future updates. Thank you very much, friends. Happy learning.